Hello team, here's my justification for the design choices that I made when creating the infographic we needed. So as you can see, we have three different types of graphs, an infographic, and a few numbers highlighted to display our point. The infographic is just a visual representation of how many users have had their files compromised. I then used a bar graph, a line graph, and a pie chart in order to have the most visually cohesive infographic possible. So let's talk about the proximity of the elements. Elements are grouped together with the infographic or graph right next to the important information I want highlighted. This is to connect users and to show them that these two things are directly related. This also goes into the visual hierarchy of our infographic. We've arranged each element here by importance, starting with who's most affected and then ending in a conclusion that wraps up the infographic. The focal points are the areas of high contrast that draw the eye. These are our graphs, infographics, and the highlighted numbers, percentages, and dates you can see on the infographic. There's a lot of color harmony here, and I used an analogous color scheme in which colors are next to each other on the color wheel in order to draw the eye. We only use two font types within our infographic in order that the user is engaged but not overwhelmed. As you can see, all these elements combine in order to have a visually appealing infographic that doesn't overwhelm the user. Please direct any questions to me, and I'll be happy to clear up any misconceptions about my design choices. Thank you.